Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Creativity by CAD. I am Ravindra Gupta. In today's video I am going to tell you how to make a 3D mechanical object in Autocad. So please watch my video till the end. So let's start with Autocad drawing. So here you can see this is a uh, mechanical object. So now same thing we will make in 2D drawing. 2D first and then accordingly we can make 3D as well. So let's draw first 2D. So for that I am going to draw a circle of diameter 30 units. Let's draw a polygon, 6 sides and circle about the circle. Now I am going to draw a line from this point to this point. Another line I am going to draw from this line to this line. Then let's come to our another view, that is isometric view southwest. So here I am going to draw a circle of diameter 12 units. Now then let's come to extrude. I am going to extrude this and this enter up to 10 units. Now let's change 2D wireframe. So here you can see everything clear. So I'm going to copy this also on upper face. So here you can see. Now then I'm going to draw a polygon. Before that I'm going to change use CS face. I'm going to choose this one, and then let's draw a polygon with 3 sides, and here I'm going to move this at this point and going to sweep this with circumference of the circle. And let's come to front view. Here you can see. Now again I am going to do copy of this here to here, and from here I am going to subtract these two. So let's come to see our southwest view. Here you can see, if I show you in a realistic, then you can see this is almost done. Now next, another we need to do, we need to subtract this also, so we can get here a hole. So I'm going to get subtract from here this to this, and again let's see in view, realistic view. So here you can see almost done. Now next, inside we need to make a helix. So helix structure. So let's do that also one. So again I am going to come to the wireframe, and here I am going to draw. First I am going to change UCS face. I am choosing this object, UCS face, here. Now then I'm going to draw a line vertical of 10 units. Again I'm going to draw circle helix here. For that I'm going to change UCS here. Now then I'm going to make helix. Here you can see 6, and again for the top 6, and number of height 10, and number of turn 8. Let's change some here. Height okay, turn should be 8, and rest of the things are okay. Now then I am changing little bit so we can see it clear. Now I am going to make polygon again here. Before that I am going to change UCS here, face. Now then I am going to draw a polyline polygon with 3 units. Point 65. Point 7. I'm going to change little bit, rotate. Moving this here, this side. Point 7. Going to rotate, keeping here, then move again here to here, and then going to take so here you can see. Now I'm going to move this, but before that we need to change again UCS. Let's move it. Here to here. Now you can see front view, but look, yes, it's okay. You can see how to pathway isometric view. SW and realistic and abstract. Then you can see how it looks. Now I'm going to move here from here and delete all those, and you can see how this looks. I hope you like this video, so please keep watch and like, share and comment. Thank you.